Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 3x plus 1. Because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 3. So we have u minus 1 over number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. And we have like this. So, because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u. S we change for this one. The s we change for this one. And now we need to simplify it. So 2 over 3 multiplied by u minus 1. And we have like this. This one we have positive 1 over 3. And now number 3 with number 3 and this number 3 in here. We can put this one go outside. So number 3 with number 3, that is about 1 over 9. So this one we have u to the power of 1 over 3. So u divide by this one, number 1 divide by this one, and we have like this. So this one we have 2 over 3. Now we have the formula in here. So we put 2 over 3 gone here. So we have 2 over 3 plus 1 and we have 5 over 3. So similar for the second one. This one we put negative 1 over 3 gone here and we have 2 over 3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.